Hi, I am Dr. Kenan. I am one of the co founders of Rise Technology. Rise Technology is a social entrepreneurship that finds mobile, user friendly solutions for medical simulation education to all institutions at a reasonable price and produces an ecosystem between educators and students. Medical error is the third leading cause of mortality. It is not only due to a lack of knowledge or ability, but primarily to a lack of communication, leadership, and teamwork. The best way to acquire these skills is through medical simulation. We are reinventing medical simulation training. You don't need a simulation center, it is mobile, it is adaptive to any mannequin or standard patient. We are turning any dummy mannequin into a high fidelity simulator. Or if you use our solutions with standard patients, you can transform them into any disease you want. Because our solutions lack of cumbersome hardware, they are budget friendly and resistant to break. You don't need hours to look at scenario clouds to find a proper one. You can make your own by using our scenario generator software. Even you can share them with your colleagues or market them at a price you choose. Medical education and training startups have raised more than $845 million globally since 2019. We are a team of very talented engineers and doctors working in electric and electronics, the medical education, and simulation sector for 5 years. Many institutions have granted our products and selected them as one of the most promising innovations in Turkey. We believe Live Global will sharpen our entrepreneurship skills and help us to commercialize our business worldwide with the help of international networks, mentors, and the bootcamp. Let's prepare future doctors and nurses together with the tools they deserve. Let's rise together.